Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the device is unlocked and any running apps are saved. This prevents data loss. Now press and hold the power button on the right edge for about 1-2 seconds until the power menu appears. If nothing shows, try pressing and holding power for 5-8 seconds to force a reboot. Only do that if the screen is unresponsive. Once the menu appears, prepare to select the power option. This is the first actionable step towards shutting down. With the power menu visible, tap Power Off. You'll often see Restart or Safe Mode too, so make sure to choose Power Off. If a confirmation dialog appears, confirm by tapping OK or Power Off. This prevents accidental restarts. If the touchscreen is unresponsive, use the volume keys to move the highlight to Power Off and press Power to confirm. Once confirmed, the phone will begin shutting down. Wait until the screen goes completely black before proceeding. After confirming Power Off, wait 10-30 seconds for the screen to go black. That indicates a full shutdown. If the phone restarts instead of shutting down, check for scheduled alarms or apps preventing power off, then try again. If it refuses to turn off, remove the case in case of overheating, then hold power for 10-15 seconds to force a hard power off. If problems persist after these steps, contact support. Describe what you tried and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.